afternoon. Today in this session we are going to discuss project design and network analysis. Network, what is network and what is network importance in designing the project, their introductions, importance, need and various network techniques used in project design. Network and its importance. Network is a set of symbols connected with each other with a sequential relationship with each step, making the completion of a project event. So what we do is, the network technique generally we use for project scheduling and project design. Okay. So first we talk about importance of the network analysis. Why we do this analysis in network in handling the project. To identify the hidden stages involved in the project estimate. Yes. See, if the project is very complicated, very big, very huge, so sometimes you are not able to find out the hidden stages. In fact, I tell you, in 90s, beginning of the 90s and middle of the 90th century, people are writing COBOL program. They were using the date format only YYMMDD. But when it has approached, they have realized that when it is coming to 2000, before 10 years or 15 years before, people started working to make YYYY 4-digit year and MM and DD date format. Why it is? Because when they were knowing this, the program is written that will be having infinite loop because of 002000. Only if 00 you mention, all the records will be same, and then it will be a complication will be there. It may happen the many things will be failure. Maybe aeroplane will fall, lift will stop. So they have changed on what we call it on mainframe, and they are windowing the date and they are changing 2-digit to 4-digit. That was YTK tools we are using it. That was the hidden stages nobody was knowing before. Like this, we have to do the things for our program, and that is the reason we are using this particular network analysis. By identifying these hidden stages, the management can improve on the outgoing project estimate also and team for the future. The event should be taught of in different stream of the operation and their relationship understood clearly. Cost estimate would depend on the project time estimates and changes the price of the different factors of production. Hence, implementary would have been attempted so that management may know to certain and slippage in time would mean in terms of cost. Of course, if it is not done, time will increase and that will lead to more cost. This is apart from efficiency variations, favorable and unfavorable both depending upon circumstances not quite foreseen in the time of estimate were made. So that is the importance of the network analysis of doing project design. But there are many things, many tools is developed, many designs, it is been developed. Before that we talk about need for network technique. It helps in designing, planning, coordinating, controlling and decision making in order to accomplish the project economically in minimum available time with the limited available resources. Network technique was developed from the milestone chart, milestone, and bar chart, but these congenital planning were not able to utilize the large and complex project plan. Large project, it was not really suitable. The milestone chart and bar chart were having limitation and disadvantage, hence network technique was evolved like PERT and become very useful for manager to handle such big project. Network analysis method works for minimizing production delay, interrupts and conflict of coordinating and synchronizing the various parts of all over the job, and the expediting the completion of the project towards the scheduling and budgeting pertaining to particular scheduled job, what is predefined. So that is the need, but we are using, there are many network techniques being evolved depending on the applications needed to develop the project, complete the project. There are few are here. PERT, program evaluations and review technique, CPM, critical path method, LOB, line of balance, GERT, graphical evaluation and review technique, WEST, workshop analysis and scheduling program. These are the top, but actually PERT and CPM, it is in your curriculum. We have to study, and these are more popular. In next video, we'll be talking about PERT and CPM. Thank you very much.